Hey there friends, ETPC here, checking out some Wi-Fi plugs from ESICOO. So this is a 4-pack. Let's add this to cart and check it out, shall we? Alright, so here we go. So this comes with 4 plugs, and let's grab out one box. So it's got 2 boxes like this, and I think there's 2 plugs in each one. Wi-Fi smart sockets. Alright, if I can get this box open, I'll show you what's inside. Here we go. On the top we have instructions, and inside we have 2 smart plugs. 2. That's it. So that's what we got. They're not too big. I'm gonna get these, get one of these set up, and we'll talk about it a little bit, do a review, and give me just a minute to get this all situated here. Alright, so what I basically did was download the Smart Life app. You follow the instructions, you connect to your Wi-Fi. Okay, so basically all I did was log into this app, get all signed in and everything, follow the instructions. It's very simple. And then we plugged in an outlet in the back there. So as soon as I plugged it in, the light started flashing. Boom, boom, boom. It's synced with the app, super easy. And now it has a thing. I named this one Mini Smart 1 or whatever, and I can turn on and off my lamp with a click of a button here. So lamp on, lamp off, on, off, on, off. Turn the light off here. Okay, and let's see if you can see this. Can't really see it, it's too bright there, but it does have just a little button. You can turn it on and turn it off. Turn it on, turn it off. And you can do this from anywhere that your phone has, that you have your phone. Okay, so this also hooks up to Amazon Alexa. For some reason, my Alexa app I'm turning it on and it's just going black. So I was gonna hook it up to that and show you how that works here too, but it was giving me some issues. This is handy. So you got 4 plugs. So say you go on vacation or something and you don't have a timer for these, which I believe on the app you can set up a timer too. So it has all kinds of cool abilities. You can turn it on with Alexa. You could put night lights on these. Say, hey, I want my night lights to come on at this is such and such a time, then go off. So these are pretty cool. I mean, like the setup and as far as just getting them connected was super easy. I just plugged it in. You're gonna see a little light flashing right here quickly, and then just click add device on your app and it found it right away. Didn't have any issues. It was literally like a 30-second, 15-second setup. So these are handy if you go out of town. Need to have your lights on a timer. You can throw up a couple lamps in different rooms, make it look like you're home. So pretty cool there. Just a whole bunch of different applications. You could use these for feeding your dog or something with those little electric timers or whatever you could have. A whole bunch of different things. These are pretty handy. They're really cool. As far as like I said, the setup and everything was super easy. So this is from ESICOO. And the instructions were, pretty easy to follow. Kind of small writing, but I could still see it, no problem. So I give these out of 5 stars. I'll give them 5. So as far as not having any issues with them, easy setup. And I wish I could use my Amazon Alexa right now to communicate with them. I'm sure it works fine too. So thanks for watching this review of the ESICOO Wi-Fi smart plug outlet. So you can pick them up from Amazon. That's where I got mine, obviously. So I'll leave a description or a link in the description below. So everyone, thanks for watching and have a great day out there.